Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Should be a nice easy one today. Then we're just going to be replacing the wiper blades on my BMW E90 3 Series. Now the wiper blades that I'm going to be installing are these Bosch Aero Twin wiper blades. Now I must say and must make a point of this, that honestly this is the third set of wiper blades that I have bought. It turns out that there is a bunch of different wiper blades that are linked to the BMW E90 3 Series. I think there is a separate set for pre-LCI, which is what mine is. And I think there may be two sets then for the LCI variant. Now, if you do want to get the Bosch wiper blades, like I have opted for Bosch, they are top quality when it comes to wiper blades. These are the wiper blades that you need. So it is A073S, and this is for the set, so for both of the wiper blades. And yeah, so if you do have a pre-LCI, these are the ones that you're going to want to have. And if you have an LCI, then please do make sure that you purchase the right ones, because like I said, this is the third set that I've bought now, so hopefully third time lucky. But yeah, without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay, so we'll start on the driver's side wiper blade, the larger of the two, and obviously pop it up into the upright position, and we should have this plastic trim piece here. This should just kind of lift off, and as you see, it is held in by this, I guess it's like a clip that goes into the wiper arm there. And then the blade itself, if you pull it towards you, you should then be able to slide it off. As you can see, there is a hole that goes through there. And then there is a shaft on the wiper arm itself. That's what holds the wiper in place. Okay, so we'll grab our new wiper, and we want it to go on this way around. So in our case, we have this wider section that goes underneath this arm here. So just slide it on, and there we are. As we can see, that fits perfectly on there. Now if we grab our plastic trim piece, we can go ahead and reinstall it. Yeah, just slots on there like so. There's this side done. Of course, it's got the exact same to do on this side as well. Just lift it up, remove this trim piece, slide the wiper off, slide the new wiper blade in place. Yeah, perfect. And then reinstall the trim piece. Yeah, should snap in place. There we are then. That is two fresh new wiper blades now installed. Easy peasy. And if you're wondering what kind of state the old ones are in, this is exactly what they were like. As you can see, quite literally just falling apart. Yep. Not good. Okay then guys, so there we go, nice easy job in the end. Then pretty much the whole point of me making this video was just to give you the heads up that if you are replacing your wiper blades, do make sure that you check to see which ones that you have first and foremost. Double check them, triple check them, and then make sure you are ordering or just buying from the store the correct set of wiper blades. Like I said, I had to wait till I was third time lucky. Yeah, hopefully you don't have the same issue. But yeah, hopefully the video has been helpful anyway. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!